As a project management expert, I understand that a motivated and well-compensated team is crucial for project success. When evaluating project management software like Scoro, it's natural to consider not just its features but also the environment and benefits it fosters for its own employees. This leads to the important question: does Scoro offer bonus pay to its employees? Based on available information, it appears that Scoro does indeed offer bonus pay to its employees in various forms. While a specific, publicly detailed bonus pay policy document from Scoro itself is not readily available, several sources provide insights into their compensation and benefit structure, indicating the presence of bonus schemes. Let's delve deeper into what we can infer from the available information. Evidence of bonus pay at Scoro. Remuneration policy of Scoro Investment Partners, a potentially related entity while not directly Scoro. A search result for Scoro IP's remuneration policy outlines a structure that includes an annual cash bonus as a potential component of variable remuneration. This suggests that entities with similar naming conventions or potential affiliations consider bonuses as part of their compensation strategy. It's important to note that Scoro Investment Partners might be a separate company, but the existence of such a policy within a related sphere hints at the possibility of similar practices at Scoro. Referral program. Scoro actively runs a referral program where individuals, presumably including employees, can earn rewards, potentially up to $1,800 for successfully referring new customers. These rewards can be in the form of Amazon gift cards or prepaid Visa cards. While framed as a referral reward, this functions as a bonus for bringing in new business. Emphasis on performance and objectives. The remuneration policy of Scoro IP mentions that variable pay, including bonuses, is linked to the achievement of individual and collective objectives. This aligns with common bonus structures in many companies, where performance against set goals determines bonus eligibility and amount. While we can't definitively say Scoro has the exact same policy, it's a common practice in the tech industry and for companies that value performance-driven cultures. General employee benefits. Information about Scoro's employee benefits highlights a focus on employee well-being and motivation, including a 4-day work week, stock options, and various well-being perks. Offering bonus pay would be consistent with this overall approach to attracting and retaining talent and rewarding their contributions. Industry standard in tech. The technology industry is highly competitive for talent, and offering various forms of bonus pay is a common practice to attract, motivate, and retain skilled employees. Given that Scoro operates in the tech space, providing work management software, it's highly probable that they utilize bonus schemes as part of their total compensation package. These can range from performance-based bonuses to profit-sharing or even signing bonuses for new hires. Types of bonus structures commonly found in tech companies. To better understand the potential types of bonuses Scoro might offer, let's look at some common bonus structures in the tech industry. Performance-based bonuses. These are the most common type, where bonuses are tied to individual, team, or company performance against specific, measurable goals. For example, a sales team might receive bonuses for exceeding their quarterly targets, or individual developers might be rewarded for completing key project milestones ahead of schedule. Profit-sharing bonuses. In this model, a portion of the company's profits is distributed among employees. This can foster a sense of ownership and align employee interests with the overall success of the company. Signing bonuses, offered to attract top talent. These are one-time payments given to new employees upon joining the company. Referral bonuses. As seen with Scoro's program, these reward employees for successfully referring qualified candidates who are hired by the company. Retention bonuses. These are offered to key employees to incentivize them to stay with the company for a specific period, often used during critical projects or company transitions. Spot bonuses. These are smaller, often unexpected bonuses given to recognize exceptional effort or achievement on a specific task or project. Holiday or year-end bonuses. Some companies offer bonuses around holidays or at the end of the fiscal year as a gesture of appreciation. Equity-based bonuses, stock options. While Scoro's benefits mention stock options as a general benefit, these can also function as a form of long-term bonus, rewarding employees as the company grows in value. It's likely that Scoro employs a combination of these bonus types to cater to different roles, achievements, and strategic objectives.